Hi guys, here we've got Neffos X1 Max, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select display, and here you will notice wallpaper, so just mark it. Now here you've got the display, the current display. This is my lock screen and this is my home screen. If you'd like to pick a new one, just click on select new wallpaper, then choose something from this options, or go for some more pictures which you've got on device. I can pick, for example, this one. And if you want to apply it, just tap on apply, then decide if it should cover home screen only, lock screen, or both of them. I'll pick both. And that's it. As you can see from now on, you've got this brand new wallpaper on both home and lock screen. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.